Welcome back, you awesome math whizzes. Good to see you. We are now on chapter 1, section 2, example 3. So 1.2, example 3. And it's going to get a little bit harder now. In your notes, there'll be a definition of what is a perfect square. And a perfect square is a whole number, the square of a whole number. What does that mean? That means 8 times 8 or 2 times 2. It has to be the same number twice. So here we go. Determine whether each number is a perfect square. 64, yes it is, because 8 squared, which is 64, is perfect. 20, well, 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 4 is 16. So that doesn't work. No whole number squared equals 20. So that is not a perfect square. All right, determine whether each number is a perfect square. Is 50 a perfect square? Let's see. I'll do it with you. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. So no, 50 is not, because 7 is 49 and 8 is 56. That doesn't work. 9, how about 9? 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9.
Number
so 9
is
a perfect square. And here
Remember,
is a
the square of a whole
tutorial
number
for you
is a perfect
on
square.
those.
Let's make a list of the first 10 perfect squares. So we have the whole number, and then its perfect square. The first whole number is 1. 1 squared, or 1 times 1, is 1. The next whole number is 2. 2 squared, or 2 times 2, is 4. Next we have 3. 3 squared is 9. Continue to find the first 10 perfect squares. Now that we have our list, we can answer the question. Determine whether 50 is a perfect square. In our list of perfect squares, we can see that 50 would fall here. However, there is not a whole number that when squared is 50.
Nope.
This means that 50 is not a perfect square. Let's look at another example. Determine whether 9 is a perfect square. In our list of perfect squares, we can see that 9 is included. This means that 3 squared equals 9. So, 9 is a perfect square.
Well, there it is. 9 is a perfect square. All right. On your own, you have these problems, 3 through 10. So go ahead and 1, 2, 3, pause. All right, now that you're back and you've solved those, here are your answers. Those are the values. You can use a calculator on all those. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. And then, are these perfect squares? 25, yes, because 5 times 5. 2, no, because 1 times 1 is not 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. 99, no, even though it might look like it because 9 is. 99 is not, because 9 times 9 is 81. And 100 is because of 10 times 10. So there you go. That's how you